Here on week 7. So this is your weekly overview video, and let's take a look first at these notes that are recorded and right here for you to reference if you need to throughout the week. So we are going to begin a new opinion text set. This one is on trampolines. And so if you do have that packet of papers, if your parents or an adult came to pick those up from the school, then you have a copy of this text already that was in that paperclip stack. If not, I have provided it for you each day. You will need to print that. We will be using it throughout the week. So as you can see, just like in your other subjects, Monday and Tuesday will be a live lesson, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday you will watch a recorded lesson. We're going to make our way through creating that matrix, to reading and annotating the text, and then adding some of that information onto our matrix. So let's first look at Monday. On Monday, you will need a pencil, a blank sheet of paper, and the trampoline text set. Again, you can see here that this has already been printed for you, and your parents should have picked it up. If you do need a copy, it is attached. It is right here in the Monday folder. You are going to attend the live meeting. We're going to discuss the prompt, discussing the 3 T's, and then begin creating the matrix. This meeting is just going to be right after our reading. When we go back and go into the Tuesday folder, you will see the very same directions that you need that text set. Please print it. You will attend again the live meeting, and we're going to talk about how to complete the matrix. We're even going to begin reading source 1. Same thing as Monday. That meeting will begin right after our reading. On Wednesday, since I am not here, you are going to read source 2 on your own. Then you are going to watch a video where I am going to discuss source 2 and then go through and add information to my matrix. If there's anything that you may have missed while reading source 2 and adding that information to your matrix, you will do that after or during watching that video. Let's go on to Thursday. Again, the same thing, except today you're going to read through source 3. It's that heading, whose side are you on? And you're going to add the information to your matrix. Please do that before you watch the video, guys. I really want you to think on your own and practice becoming a great writer. After you do that, then you will watch the video of me. I'm going to go through source 3 and check to see that you've completed that matrix. You can add any information that maybe was missing or that you want to add in addition to what you already had on your matrix. Finally, on Friday, again, same materials. Before you watch the video, I want you to decide which side you support. Should trampoline parks stay open, or should they be closed down? Then I want for you to determine 2 to 3 big ideas for your side. So if you're saying they should stay open, you need 2 to 3 big ideas that support why they should stay open. If you're saying that they should close down, then you need 2 to 3 big ideas supporting that trampoline parks should be closed down. Then you're going to watch a video of me, and I'm going to model determining the big ideas for both sides to make sure that this was done correctly. All right, good luck this week, writers.